this little guy stuck right there, and he can get out from there, but he's little silly kitty and doesn't know. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come here. Oh, okay. Okay. That's work too. Oh. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Come on. It's on your cheek. Yeah, you dropped it. Come on. Come here. Come here. I think he's a feral. Yeah, that's why. Come here. Come here, little guy. Yay. Don't go there again, okay? Hey. Come on. You have some too. Yeah. Hey. Hey, come on. Yeah. Don't go there. Come on. Yeah. Also, he's afraid of other kitties. Come here. Oh, he's not feral. He's just scared. That's all. That's all. Yeah, he's just scared. That's okay. That's okay, my great boy. That's okay. That's okay.